Let's sit in Sukhasana or Vajrasana, whatever is comfortable. Let's start with some joint movements. Breathe in, take your head back, breathe out, chin to the chest. Again, breathe in, take your head back, breathe out, chin to the chest. Breathe in, come back to the center. Breathe out, look over your right shoulder. Inhale, exhale, center. Inhale, exhale, look over your left shoulder. Inhale, exhale, center. Inhale, take your head back. Exhale, chin to the chest. Keep your spine straight. And let's start rotating from right to left. Half circle, breathe in. Half circle, breathe out. Continue breathing. Complete 3 rounds clockwise. And after completing the third round, repeat anti-clockwise. Half circle, breathe in. Half circle, breathe out. Continue. And after you complete 3 rounds anti-clockwise, come back to the center. Let's raise our arms up. Bring them forward. Bend your elbows. Touch your hands on your shoulders. Try and touch your elbows together in front of you. Let's do some shoulder rotations. Breathe in. Take them up. Breathe out. Back and down. Breathe in. Forward and up. Breathe out. Back and down. Again, breathe in. Forward and up. Breathe out. Back and down. Breathe in. Contraction in the chest. Breathe out. Expansion in the chest. Observe the movement of the body and synchronize it with your breath. As you complete this round, let's start anti-clockwise. Breathe in, back and up. Breathe out, forward and down. Breathe in, take your elbows back and up. Breathe out, forward and down. Very good. Breathe in, back and up. Breathe out, forward and down. Continue. One more time. And relax. Adjust the weight of your body. Inhale, raise both arms up. Join your palms together. Stretch your body up. Elongate your spine. Stretch your spine. As you stretch your spine, your organs get more space to breathe and do their functions. So stretch your spine up. Inhale, exhale. Interlock your fingers. Turn your palms outwards. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, stretch your body more up. Exhale, bend to your right side. Feel the stretch on the left side of the body. Continue breathing. Inhale, slowly come back up. Exhale, bend to the left side. Make sure your ears are touching your forearms. Continue breathing. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, bring your palms and place them at the back of your head. Inhale, exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, come back to the center and relax. Now I'm going to turn to the side to show you. Inhale, take your arms back, open your chest, look up. Exhale, come back, hug yourself. Feel the contraction. Inhale again, look up. Take your arms behind you. Exhale. Compress your chest. Hug yourself. Inhale. Take your arms back. Exhale. Hug yourself. Slowly come back. Let's spread our legs forward. Move your toes forward and back. Inhale, take your toes away from the body. Exhale, point your toes towards the body. Inhale, extension. Exhale, flexion. Inhale, extension. Exhale, flexion. Now move them side to side. Slowly come back to the center and start making circles right to left. Half circle, breathe in. Half circle, breathe out. Very good. Opposite side, half circle, breathe in. Half circle, breathe out. Now bend your right knee. Bring your right foot closer to your right hip. Take your right hand behind your body and place your left hand. You can place your left hand on the left knee or cross, if you're able to, cross your left hand over the right knee like this and hold the right foot. Make sure your spine is straight. Look over your right shoulder. Do as much as you can. Continue breathing. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, slowly come back and slowly release your right leg. Let's do it on the opposite side. I'll change my direction to demonstrate. Bend your left knee. Bring your left foot closer to the left thigh. Take your right hand, place it behind you. Now take your right arm, place it on your right knee. If it is easy for you, you can take your right arm, cross over your left knee and hold your left ankle. Keep your spine straight. Look over your left shoulder. Enjoy the spinal twist. Stay there. Hold for 5 seconds. Continue breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release your hand and release your leg. Let's sit in Sukhasana. And from Sukhasana, gently come into Vajrasana. Sit straight, spine erect. Make sure there's enough space in between your knees. Place the blocks in front of you. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Gently bend forward. Place the elbow in front of the knee to measure and then place the palms on the blocks and then stand up in tabletop position. Tabletop position is where your palms and your knees are on the floor and rest of the body is like a table. Adjust the knees, make sure there's enough space to accommodate the belly. From here, we'll do cat-cow stretch, Marjariasana, Vithalasana. Inhale, push your tailbone out, press your belly towards the floor, look up. Exhale, tuck your tailbone in, make a round with your back and chin to the chest. Do as much as you can. Exhale, push your tailbone out, press your belly towards the floor, look up. Exhale, tuck your tailbone in, make a round with your back, chin to the chest. Inhale, come back to the center. Slowly raise your right leg up behind you. Raise your right leg behind you, toes pointing towards the floor. If you're feeling balanced, raise your left arm forward, balancing the weight of the body on your right palm and your left knee. Stay there, hold for 5 seconds. Slowly come back. Let's do opposite side. Inhale, raise your left leg up, toes pointing towards the floor. Raise your right arm up forward. Balance the weight of the body on your left palm and your right knee. Very good. Slowly come back. Adjust. Inhale. Raise both the knees off the mat. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Do not look down. Keep looking forward or up. You keep your knees bent. Do not overstretch. Hold the pose for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You may move your heels up and down one at a time. And again, slowly come back into tabletop position. Make a cushion with your heels. And let's rest in Shashankasana. Keep the blocks in front of you. Rest your forehead on the block. Hands stretched forwards. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take another deep breath in. Make sure there's enough space in between the knees. And breathe out. Slowly come back. Now, rest your forearms on the block in front of you. Your hips are up in the air. Interlock your fingers in front of you like this. And gently rock your body front and back. Mouse pose. Observe the weight of the body shifting as you gently rock your body front and back. Slowly come back. Adjust the blocks under your arms. We'll do one more round of Marjariasana. Breathe in. Push your tailbone out. Press your belly towards the floor. Look up. Breathe out. Tuck your tailbone in. Make a round with your back. Chin to the chest. Vidyalasana, Marjariasana. Inhale. Look up. Exhale. Chin to the chest. Notice that all the movements are starting from your tailbone. Inhale, push your tailbone out, belly towards the floor, look up, chin up. Exhale, tuck your tailbone in, make a round with your back, chin to the chest. Inhale, come back to the center. And slowly bring your right foot forward. Stretch your left foot behind you, Raj Kapotasana. Stay there. Your right foot is bent in front of you. Place your palms on the mat. You can place it on the blocks, whatever is comfortable. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs, in your hips, in your lower back. Look up. Continue breathing. Slowly come back. Let's do it on the other leg. Take your left leg forward in front of you. Bend your knee, left knee. Your left foot is in front of you. Right leg stretched behind. Place your hands on the mat in front of you. Feel the stretch in the abdomen. You can place your hands on the blocks as well, depending on the size of your belly. Continue breathing. Slowly come back. Come back in Sukhasana. And let's get back in tabletop position. Now take your right foot out, outside the right hand. I'll demonstrate it in the front view. So this is the cat-cow pose. Take your right foot out, outside the right hand. Take your left foot, stretch it behind you. Look up. Rest in Ashwasanchalanasana for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly take your leg behind you. Let's do on the opposite side. Inhale, bring your left foot forward outside the left hand and stretch your right foot behind you. Look up, continue breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bring your left foot behind. Do it again in the side view. Come back in tabletop position. Make sure there's enough space in between your knees. Inhale. Take your right foot outside your right hand. Open your hip area. Take your left leg behind you as much as you can. Look up. Feel the tension. Feel the stretch in your abdomen, hip and pelvic floor muscles. Continue breathing. Long, deep breaths. Slowly come back. Take your right leg behind you. Adjust the weight. And now inhale. Take the left leg outside the left hand. And take the right leg behind you. Feel the stretch in your abdomen, in your pelvic floor muscles. Continue breathing. Very good. Slowly take your left leg behind you and you can sit in Baddha Konasana or the butterfly pose. Join the soles of the feet together. Bring it as close to your perineum or the abdomen as possible. And let's start shaking our thighs up and down. Keep your spine straight, body relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Observe the effect of butterfly pose or Baddha Konasana on the body. Continue. Release all the stretch. Release all the tension from the stretches that we just did. Very good. Continue breathing. Inhale, take your head back. Exhale, looking forward or up, bend forward as much as you can. Hold the pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back up and relax. You can lie down in Shavasana or Supta Baddha Konasana. Supta Baddha Konasana again. Take 2 blocks, place them in behind you. And place a pillow. And then you can also take a pillow, place it behind you to create an elevation. Join your feet together in Baddha Konasana and then relax. You can rest for a couple of minutes in this asana.